How to fix Sandbox copy-paste not working in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Open Start and type Local Group Policy Editor. Check the Enable option. Click Apply and then OK to confirm the changes. Restart your PC. After restarting, check if copy-paste functionality is now enabled in Windows Sandbox. If that didn't work, type Turn Windows Features on and off and select the app from the search results. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.